Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. I want to say a really special thanks to all of you who gave me a very good feedback on my WhatsApp number and in the form of comments in the previous videos. I hope till now so far you will be liking my content and it will be helping you improve your trading in a very positive way. So, friends, today I have, like last night, I have received a request for the New Zealand US dollar pair, and the subscriber asked me to analyze it and give you an overall overview of the market. So New Zealand US dollar, I'm analyzing it from scratch in this video, and most probably I will be uploading a daily forex forecast video in next 4 or 5 hours. Today is 15th. Today is 16th May 2023, and half of month is still left. So let's see if we can find some good trading opportunities that we can trade and we can make good profits out of them. Make sure everyone to put proper stop losses for each and every trade, because stop loss is something which will save your account for from blowing out. And this way, when you have a stop loss, definitely you will have like a very like your whole equity will be in your control, and every trade it should give you like 1:2 at least. If you are a very aggressive trader, then 1:1. These are some frequently asked questions. So I will be trying to make a separate video on this topic. For now, New Zealand US dollar right here, if you can see, I am on the daily time frame, and I will be recalling some of the previous analysis as well and the previous teachings that I provided on my channel. First of all, I have discussed trend lines in brief detail, right? In a very detailed video, the trend lines, you can find the video on my channel. Secondly, I have discussed support and resistance till now so far. A very detailed video I have uploaded, and if you want to watch the video, you can find the link in the description. Now the other things, obviously the double top, bottom, price action, these things I usually discuss in the live stream. So I'm sure enough that you will have now an idea. But let's say if you have no idea of these concepts, you can ask me in the comment section, and I will make separate videos on this topic. So New Zealand US dollar, if we see the trend line, it is clearly trending up. And whenever this is like a learning curve as well for you, and it was for me when I was a beginner, that whenever you try to start reading the chart, you have to find, let's say I am predicting the market on the basis of this trend line, then I have to see how much strong it is. So it all the way started from 11th October 2022 and 13th December 2022. So a month worth of impulsive wave. And since then, the market is like ranging this year. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I will definitely plot my Fibonacci, or I should say deploy my Fibonacci tool, and we'll find out 61.8% retracement. So right here, you can clearly see that 0.58935 is going to become a reversal area, right? So this is the first thing I do. I find the trend, and you must have heard that trend is your friend. So as per the daily time frame, and even if I connect these lines, you can clearly see a triangle right here, which may break to the top or may break to the bottom. So that I will discuss it later. For now, if we see, we have like a triangle pattern on the New Zealand US dollar at the moment on a daily time frame. And obviously, since we have got a double top up there, if you see double top, and along with that a very very clear divergence right here. See, it can be spotted with a naked eye. You don't need any zoom in the charts or any deep study about it. This is just simple. You see, when price was at the highest point, it gave a break above this structure. So it means that for some time the market is now trending up right here. See, but what happened in reality is it fell from the level. Most of the traders I know personally, most of the traders took buy trades right here and are now stuck with 271 pips of stop loss or negative balance, I should say. So previous structure sort of like broken, sort of like a retest of this structure as well. These are the two levels we have. Let's count how much range it is. My friends, 662 pips worth of range it is. And I will be finding out that what are the bullish and the bearish waves that are running in between this triangle, which can help us identify and predict the future move. Before that, since this was a bottom as well, I will need a bit of study. See, market clearly is at the same level from where it reversed, right? So this is now very simple right here. The second thing is, if we draw Fibonacci from right here, you can clearly see that we have got a clear rejection, not once but just twice from the same level. At this stage, we had no Fibonacci. See, market just fell this much. We have no Fibonacci. We let the market run towards there. Our buys must be ready right here. But what happened? It reverses. When it reverses and took a rejection from the 61.8% retracement, that was the place to actually look for potential trade opportunities. We have got a nice top up there. RSI situation, we have got a nice divergence right here, and that was like till here the divergence was, unless this bearish trend was confirmed. This is a bearish counter trend, I should say, because from right here it has to just stop near 0.58935 in a very worst situation. So now let's delete these lines, and let's see what we can get as per my Fibonacci strategy. First thing first, I have to draw Fibonacci from right here. A perfect sell zone. See. And where is it pointing down? Obviously, it will be pointing down. Let me measure it. Exactly pointing down towards this level, which means that this level is going to be a very strong level for buy trade opportunities. This one. With my strategy, usually what I do is, and what it gives me two levels. And in Forex support and resistance video, if you go through that video, you will know that in Forex we have just two levels: support, resistance, supply, demand. Nothing like not a very big rocket science, I should say. No, very, very simple it is. But what I have observed with working so many clients is that you guys don't wait for the market. Why? Let's say if I want to take a risk, I will take a risk right here, not right here. If I take a buy right here, my stop is going to be below this level, which is a very big mistake, I should say. See, like there are a lot of currency pairs, and I recommend everyone to apply my strategy on as many pairs as you can. So here, obviously these bears and this sell is confirmed from right here. So those big traders who afforded to set a stop loss of 234 pips, they are like maximum they went down till 183 pips. It's going up, but they are targeting 431 pips, my friends. This is we, the retail traders who put tight stop losses. The big traders, they trade very, very big. I know several smaller hedge funds based in Dubai, and I know their mechanism, right? That's why I'm telling you that always, always wait for the market. Now, let's say if I'm going to take a sell trade, how will I take it? Just have a look at it and just have a look at it. By then, when the price will be right here, most people will be saying, hey, this is a breakout, 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 breakout. Take a sell, take a buy, take a buy, take a buy, take a buy. And thrum, the market will be down. Why? Because this level is supposed to be for a sell. And even this level is a sell zone which most of the traders who missed it are now praying that the price should go up there so that they can take a sell trade from right up there. So a total 600 pips, approximately 500 pips of wave. If the big trader makes even 200 out of it, still that is more than enough. If the small trader, the retail trader makes 100, 200, 300 pips out of it, that's more than enough. Who is telling you to target this whole impulsive wave? No. If you cannot, you just forget about it. At this level, get quick 8500 pips from the market, leave the market. What's the point of staying in the market if you have no exact idea what's going to happen next? And these days, markets are full of fundamental activities. So, why someone will hold the position for long term? And I'm telling this to short term traders, remember. The investors trades, they should still be there, right? They can trade. Those who can afford big stop losses, they can. Like if we see right here on gold, I'm holding a sell position from here. And that is obviously the long term. This is the long term. I can afford to set a stop of around 600 pips for this one and take profit of 1100 pips right here. So this is the New Zealand US dollar at the moment. And by then, when it give me a sell zone, let's say, and I'm interested into a sell trade, what I'm going to do next is I will study and read the chart properly there. That if I'm if I'm taking a sell trade or a buy trade at a particular price point, obviously there should be something at the back end. I must have studied the charts, read the charts. This is like a chart reading is like an art. And if you mastered it, believe me, it will be so good. Now let's come to the H4. Obviously, this is the long-term zone. For the intraday zone, for today, let's say, A very nice sell from 0.63054 is expected. This one will have a stop of around 90 pips and a take profit of around 200 pips. So a very nice and fantastic trade opportunity it will be. But for that, you have to understand the strategy. You have to read the structures. Now, let's say if I'm going to take a sell from right here, I have to study this zone. That okay, my strategy is giving me 0.63065 for a sell. What's there in the past on the basis of which I should rely? Just have a look at it. And if I draw Fibonacci, it will be clearly telling you that, see. And now also see this ABCD pattern completion. Just have a look at it, the point D, and exactly the market took over. So what's next? Obviously this impulsive wave. This impulsive wave has a this correction. Let's have a look at it. Yes, we have got a break below 61.8. So yes, this sell trade is going to be very, very ideal from 63065. We have got a previous level as well right here. We can, like, if you study this price action, market fell down, was ranging, like the bulls were interested at this particular zone, but the sellers took over the market. They took over the market. And we have got like a swing high, if you see. Have a look at this and have a look at this. A swing high, where the market keeps making lower lows and higher highs. Sort of like that market at the moment, and overall is stuck in a triangle. Sorry about the mess right here, but when you do these things yourself like within a month, you will be used to it. So and at the moment it's showing a buy trade. Now let me tell you for whom this buy trade will be very ideal. For these traders who took a buy trade on the basis of this bottom, they made 272 pips. They can afford. They can afford to take a risk of 80 pips to generate 256 pips. Why? Because they have already made profit. They are taking this trade and will be paying for the stop loss from the profit that is being generated from this impulsive wave. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, almost like 10 days, 10 candles we have right here, daily candles. So this is the New Zealand US dollar. Make sure to pay close attention to the levels that I gave today. And I am sure enough you will be making nice and decent profits, right? Trading is obviously risky. I will not recommend anyone, like, I'm not saying anyone to trade, right? I'm not saying anyone. And this is the rule of Forex. You cannot tell anyone to take any trade. But yes, I have the authority to share my plan. And those of you who are new, who are watching my system for the first time, I will recommend to go back, watch some of my previous videos. Go through them, study them, understand them, and then you will see a very, very positive change in your trading, right? Very positive change in your trading style, which I call usually the trade maturity, when a trader become mature, right? And obviously at these levels you can blind trade these levels, and you can wait for confirmations, role reversals, multiple time frame readings, volume analysis. I have told you what's the volume in the support and resistance strategy, and obviously the dynamic levels of the support and the resistance. So if you want to understand all of this, make sure to check the video support and resistance strategy, Forex strategy. Check that, understand it, and believe me, within a week you will see a very, very positive change in your trading style, and you will be seeing a positive percentage on a regular basis in your account. So this was the New Zealand US dollar. Let's see, let's hope we make good profits. Personally, I wasn't trading it, but now I am in a mood that maybe at 0.64334, if I get a roll confirmation right here, and some smart money concepts are and smart money concepts and the order block concepts are violated right here, I may be taking a sell trade. I can also take a pending order with just 163 pips. I can easily make 500 pips. What's wrong in this? Nothing. Like this is the big. You know what the big traders do? The market makers do. They spread rumors in the market. And on the basis of those rumors, let's say if you have let's say you are planning a sell from here, they will spread the rumors right here that okay, New Zealand is going to like skyrocket. So people will be reading the news that hey, okay, on some website we have read that it's going up, and see, this is a breakout. See, and they will not be aware that a strong attack is going to happen from 64.29. 80% of the time it happens, right? So make sure to leave a like, click the subscribe button, and I will see you next time. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.